2012 TC. The Scion TC is powered by a spirited engine with a completely responsive handling system and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, alloy wheels, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, Pioneer stereo, FWD, power door locks, power windows, MP3 playback stereo, child safety rear door locks, bucket seats, moonroof. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.